Hey, what's up, guys? We're gonna do oil change today on the Go-Kart, Lucas Go-Kart. So we're gonna do oil change. We're gonna put air on the tires, but first we're gonna get a ride on the Go-Kart because the manual says we have to drive a little bit, so the engine have to be hot a little bit. So when we're gonna take the oil plug out, the oil can run out like more easily. So we're gonna talk about more about the dipstick we got. Is a metal magnetic dipstick. So with that, it can catch the little metal, the pistons and rods can when they wear out. So this dipstick gonna take it. So I removed this cover out. So there's no need for that. Later on, we had to get like a replacement for the belt. The belt is still good, but we have to get like a spare or something like that just in case. So let's go to put air on the tires, more gas, oil change, and all that. Let's go and take a ride too, and let's get it. Getting ready. Here, go for a ride, and then do the oil change, okay? Gas first. So for some reason I have no gas at all. I have a little bit. Yeah, this position is kind of awkward. If you don't have like nose like this, I don't know how you're gonna make it. Watch out, watch out. That's it. So we want to put 12 psi. We're having 10. So because this is a small tire. When you do this, it don't do automatically because it's a small tire, so you have to press it. So we have 13 and a half. It's not bad. Oh, 13. Okay. Eso. Bravo. I'm gonna try it too. Let's check it out the other one. Come on. Eso. Bravo. Okay, we finished putting air on the tires. So let's start the car. So when we finish with the tools, Lucas, what we do? We put it back. We put it back. Let's go start the go-kart. So we have to warm up the engine so that when we taking the oil out from the engine, it's gonna fluid more easily. So let's go start the engine. So having a chug, we'll put it on. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go! Woo! Okay guys, we put it in the jack stand so that we can feed this oil tank to catch the oil coming. It's gonna come from this side right here. That drain plug, we're gonna loose it. Oil is gonna come out. This time it's gonna catch it. And this is the oil dipstick we're talking about. I'm gonna take it out now. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. It's kind of hot because it's metal, so you guys are gonna see what I'm talking about early in the video about this magnetic dipstick when I catch the metals of that engine. That's okay because it's hot. So you see that black thing over there? That's metal. That's normal for these engines though, but that's metal. So that's why you need, so important, you need this dipstick to catch all that, so the engine can run a little cleaner. I cleaned the dipstick, you guys can see it's clean. See? You don't have no more metal. So let's go to remove the drain plug and put the oil. That's the oil I got. I think that's the good choice. AMSOIL 10W-40. It's a premium protection, full synthetic. And yeah, let's do it. Okay guys, for the oil drain plug, we're gonna use this 10mm socket. So we remove it, and now the oil coming down. So let's wait to get all the oil out and plug it in again, and put the brand new oil back. So guys, that's the drain plug, and the oil is already all out, and the oil pretty much it was like clean because it was used 5 hours for the breaking in. These engines only have like 5 hours. And this black stuff right here, I don't know if you guys can see it, that black stuff is metal from the dipstick. So I 100% recommend that you guys get like a magnetic dipstick, so that's gonna help you to catch all those metal. So I 100% recommend that, guys. Put the oil. So the manual says use 20 ounce. We have here 16. I use this funnel right here because it's kind of in awkward position. Kind of like you want a shot, tequila. Look at this over there playing by himself. That's good. Let's go do the dipstick. Actually, you can check it too to see the oil is there or not. You can tell it's really good. So let's go put back the dipstick, put everything together, and that's it, guys. It's easy. Let's start the car right now. Look, it's so happy right there. So it's gonna come here when as soon as I start the Go-Kart, it's gonna come here. Watch. making sure everything's good. Now guys, this funnel right here is gonna save you a lot. So I think you can get it from Harbor Freight, like maybe like $2 or something. So it's the switch is on. Put it here on chuck. On. Chuck a little bit. There you have it. Bravo! Okay guys, we're done. So I 100% recommend that oil too. So let's try the oil to see how clean it runs later.